Alright, I'm back with another 180 wave video. So glad you guys are back. Thank you so much for clicking my video. I'm gonna show you how to get 180 waves, fast waves. I know you guys want fast progress, so I'm really excited to make this video because I know it's gonna help, I know it's gonna work. The fastest way, I'll start, the number one fastest way to get 180 waves is to wear your do-rag every day. Every day, don't miss it. That's like the basics. Like first, just brushing, you wanna make sure you brush. But if you're brushing and not wearing your do-rag, it's not gonna work. So you wanna make sure you are wearing your do-rag every day. Like you cannot miss a day of wearing your do-rag. You have to wear it every night. Wear your do-rag every night. Every night, man. Just wear your do-rag every night. Next is brushing. Once you wear your do-rag every night, you will notice your hair texture is going to be a lot more trained. That's why I put that number one, especially 180 waves, is because you have to understand that your hair is going to be different if you don't wear do-rag than when you do wear do-rag. Especially if you're a medium or coarse hair waver, you're going to notice your hair is going to be a lot tougher. If you don't wear it, it's going to be all over the place. It's, frizzy. You just don't know what you're going to wake up to. So make sure you wear do-rag, and then also you want to make sure you brush a lot. Brushing a lot is what's going to separate you from being a beginner, an intermediate, and an elite. Brushing is going to connect your waves. Like it's going to make it amazing. Like you'll get flawless connection. Like if you spend more time brushing, and you know your pattern, you know which way to brush, how you want your pattern to go, and you use a mirror. Like you're in the mirror and then you use another mirror, you're gonna be untouchable, man. Like just put the time in brushing. Even, certain stuff, you're not gonna have those type of problems if you're just putting in the brush work because your connections are already gonna be there. You're gonna have a mirror. You're gonna know, okay, this is how I want my waves look. This is how it's gonna look. I'm gonna get a cut, I'm gonna woof, and it's gonna be a process, a never-ending process to where your waves are just gonna know, which way you're gonna brush them, and it's gonna be easier to you. So make sure you brush, and that's a really, really big thing too. And next, I would say something that is so for you to keep in mind to make your waves better is the products. So for me, I sometimes use Cantu. Like if I'm on a budget or I don't feel like spending a lot on products, I use Cantu and Sporting Waves, or I'll use Shea Moisture. Shea Moisture is kind of on the expensive side, so I don't really use it all the time. But if I have it, I'll use it. So basically with the products is going to give you that shine and that definition. So if your waves are drier or they're not just popping out or 3D, you want to make sure you use a better product, a more moisture, more product that adds more moisture to your hair. That's going to give you, that shine, that shine to separate you from everybody else's waves. So, and honestly, I feel like those are the top three. That's like the main things that get waves fast. Brushwork, you got to do that. There's no way to get around that. If you're trying to get connections, like, you gotta have brushwork in it. And then you also, you have to have the do-rag on. You gotta wear the do-rag. That's important. If you're trying to get waves, connections, do-rag is there because it's gonna be an ongoing process to where you are continuously doing it, your hair is trained, and it knows what your hair knows what to do. Like it's trained at that point, and it's easier to get waves, and once you get a cut, you're gonna see, waves just pumping out. See waves is just coming out of nowhere. So that's pretty much it, just in mirror brushing, just make sure you're in the mirror and you good. That's pretty much it. That's gonna give you the fastest progress, the best results, and you're gonna be more satisfied with your waves that way. So thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you liked the video. I'll see you in my next video. I'm out.